Imagine a simple remedy, kept in a small amber jar on a village healer's shelf for centuries. A mixture so potent it was used by emperors and monks to preserve their vitality and clarity well into old age. This secret wasn't found in a laboratory or a high-tech clinic. It was composed of just two humble ingredients from the kitchen: raw honey and dried cloves. For generations, this combination has been a first-line defense in ancient medical systems like Ayurveda and Unani, trusted to address the deep systemic shifts that occur as the body crosses the age of 60. Modern science is now peering into this amber jar, and the discoveries are confirming what traditional healers have always known. If you feel the subtle signs of your body slowing down, the persistent ache, the fading memory, the stubborn digestive woes, this ancient duo might hold the key to reclaiming your vitality. In just 7 days, this simple 2-ingredient ritual could begin to address 10 of the most common and frustrating problems of aging. Why this ancient duo is a modern miracle for aging bodies. The genius of this combination lies not just in the individual power of each ingredient, but in their profound synergy. Raw, unpasteurized honey is far more than a sweetener. It is a living, complex medicine. It contains natural enzymes, antioxidants like flavonoids, and powerful antimicrobial compounds. It soothes tissues, fuels the brain with clean energy, and acts as a prebiotic, nurturing the beneficial gut bacteria that are the cornerstone of immunity and mood. Whole cloves, on the other hand, are a concentrated pharmacy in a tiny bud. Their active compound, eugenol, is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic agents. It works on a cellular level to calm inflammation, fight pathogens, and improve circulation. When combined with honey, the effects are amplified. The honey acts as a vehicle, enhancing the absorption and bioavailability of the clove's active compounds. Together, they create a broad spectrum, gentle yet deeply effective tonic that works from the inside out, addressing root causes rather than just masking symptoms. The sacred preparation, how to make the remedy correctly. The preparation is a ritual in itself, requiring a small but crucial step that unlocks the full potential. 5 whole, high-quality organic cloves, 1 tablespoon of raw, unpasteurized honey, Manuka. Honey is excellent, but local, raw honey provides its own immune-boosting benefits. Instructions. 1. Place the whole cloves directly into a small, clean glass jar. 2. Pour the raw honey over the cloves, ensuring they are completely submerged. 3. Seal the jar tightly and let it sit at room temperature away from direct sunlight for 12 to 24 hours, overnight. This crucial steeping time allows the honey to pull the potent oil-soluble eugenol and other compounds from the cloves, creating a medicated honey. 4. In the morning, on a completely empty stomach, take out 1 clove, chew it slowly and thoroughly to release its oils, and swallow it. Follow it by consuming a teaspoon of the infused honey. You can work through the cloves one by one or take 1 per day. 5. Continue this daily for 7 days to experience the initial wave of benefits. 10 problems it helps fix. After 60, the 7-day transformation. 1. The end of mourning, stiffness, and joint pain. Now, before we dive into how this ancient mixture can free you from joint pain, I need to share something important with you. The fact is, 99% of the people watching this right now are learning this powerful secret without being subscribed. If you're over 60 and truly want to move without pain and reclaim your active life, I need your support. Please take 1 second to hit that subscribe button and like this video. It helps this channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you these life-changing natural remedies. Let's build this community together. Now let's talk about your joints. Chronic low-grade inflammation is the primary culprit behind arthritic pain and stiffness. As you chew the clove, eugenol directly targets inflammatory pathways, specifically COX-2 enzymes, acting like a natural, gentle ibuprofen. The honey provides antioxidants that further reduce oxidative stress in the joints. What to expect? By days 3 to 5, many notice a significant reduction in morning stiffness, especially in fingers, knees, and hips. Movement becomes fluid again, not a painful negotiation. 2. A fortified immune system that fights back. With age, the immune system can become slower to respond. Cloves have proven antiviral and antibacterial properties, while raw honey is a renowned antimicrobial agent that also feeds the gut microbiome, where 70% of your immune system resides. What to expect? You may find you shake off common colds faster or avoid them altogether. The mix acts as a daily shield, especially during seasonal changes. 3. Balanced blood pressure through calmer vessels. High blood pressure often stems from stiff, inflamed blood vessels. Eugenol is a natural vasodilator. It helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and easing pressure. Honey helps stabilize blood sugar spikes, which can indirectly stress the cardiovascular system. What to expect? Smoother, more stable blood pressure readings, and a feeling of calm circulation, not pounding or tension. 4. A digestive system that works like clockwork. Sluggish digestion and bloating are common complaints. Cloves are carminative, meaning they prevent gas formation and relieve cramping by relaxing intestinal muscles. They also stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes. Honey coats and soothes the stomach lining. What to expect? More regular, comfortable bowel movements, a significant reduction in post-meal bloating and gas, and a lighter feeling in the abdomen. 5. Relief from toothaches and healthier gums. Long used in dentistry for its numbing effect, eugenol makes clove oil a classic remedy for toothaches. Chewing the infused clove allows this compound to work directly on sore gums or sensitive teeth. Honey's antibacterial action fights the pathogens that cause plaque and gum disease. What to expect? Healthier, firmer gums, reduced sensitivity, and a natural, clean feeling of oral freshness that lasts. 6. Deep, uninterrupted sleep without the 3 a.m. wake up. Nighttime awakenings are often linked to cortisol spikes or inflammation. This mixture's systemic anti-inflammatory effect helps calm the nervous system. Taking a teaspoon of the infused honey without a clove about an hour before bed can promote stable blood sugar through the night, preventing stress-induced awakenings. What to expect? Falling asleep more easily and staying asleep through the night, waking up feeling truly restored. 7. Sharper memory and vanishing brain fog. The brain requires a steady supply of glucose and oxygen. Honey provides a clean, immediate energy source for cognitive function, while the improved circulation from cloves ensures more oxygen-rich blood reaches the brain. The anti-inflammatory effect also protects delicate neural tissues. What to expect? Clearer thinking, improved recall, better focus, and a lifting of the frustrating fog that can cloud the mind. 8. Strong digestion, even after challenging meals. Heavy, rich, or large meals can overwhelm a senior digestive system. Taking this mixture 30 minutes before a big meal prepares the gut. Cloves ramp up enzyme production, and honey primes the stomach lining. What to expect? The end of that heavy, uncomfortable feeling after eating. Meals are digested smoothly without reflux, heartburn, or prolonged fullness. 9. Harmonized hormones for energy and mood. Aging affects hormone production in both men and women. Cloves have been shown to have a modulating effect on key hormones, while the nutrients in raw honey support the endocrine glands, like the adrenal glands, that produce them. What to expect? A noticeable boost in natural energy levels, a more stable mood, and an improved sense of overall well-being and vitality. 10. Support for your overworked liver and kidneys. These vital detox organs face a lifetime of filtering toxins. Cloves enhance the activity of detoxification enzymes in the liver, helping it process waste more efficiently. The antioxidants in both ingredients reduce the oxidative damage that stresses the liver and kidneys. What to expect? A feeling of internal cleanliness, more energy as the body isn't bogged down by toxins, and healthier looking skin as your filtration systems are supported. Maximizing your results. Crucial tips. Quality is non-negotiable. Use only raw, unpasteurized honey and whole, organic cloves. Processed honey is just sugar and lacks medicinal properties. Consistency beats intensity. 1 clove a day for 7 days is far more effective than several cloves once. The cyclic approach. After your first 7-day cycle, take a 7-day break to allow your body to integrate the changes. You can then resume for maintenance. Listen to your body. If you have a very sensitive stomach, start with half a clove. If you are on blood thinning medication, consult your doctor due to cloves' mild anticoagulant effect. Conclusion: your invitation to an ancient experiment. This is not mere folklore. It is a time-tested, biologically sound approach to wellness that leverages the profound intelligence of nature. For anyone over 60 who feels their body whispering or shouting its needs, this 7-day experiment with honey and cloves is a safe, accessible, and remarkably powerful first step. It costs little more than a moment of your time each morning, but offers a return that could reshape your daily experience of life. If you are ready to explore the power of nature's oldest pharmacy and transform your health from the inside out, join our community. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We are dedicated to uncovering and sharing the most effective natural strategies to help you thrive in your 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond. Your journey to vibrant aging starts with a single clove and a spoonful of honey. The next 7 days could change everything.